Hello, SOL and SOR Parnassians, PE Parnassians. This is Magister Beck, and for week 25, I would like you guys to make your own little circuit that lasts 15 minutes. So for the SOR scholars last week, I did a 15-minute long circuit where I started off, and every other minute was jogging around an area, and then the off minutes were an exercise. So for example, 1 minute we ran around the area, the gym, and then the next minute they would stop and do push-ups. And then when the minute of push-ups was done, they'd run around for a minute. And when the timer went off, they'd stop and maybe do bodyweight squats for a minute. And then jog another minute. And then when the timer went off, maybe do sit-ups for a minute. So if this went on for 15 minutes. So we basically did a bodyweight routine that worked every body part: back, chest, legs, abs, core. It worked everything. And I thought it'd be kind of cool for the SOL and SOR PE scholars that are doing the distance learning to design one of these on their own. And maybe send it to us. Send it to Magister Cole and myself, Magister Beck, so we can kind of see what you guys designed. And maybe we can use it in class too. I hope you guys have fun with this. Get a little creative. Have fun with your family. Your family can do it with you. That'd be a lot of fun. But yeah, we'll be seeing you guys soon. Have a great rest of your week, guys. Bye.